you're still banned. You're not only banned on the Twitch, YouTube, Discord, all of that. You're gonna get banned from live. Get over here, buddy. It's a party pack. So like, welcome to my hold up! Fast food.
How do wait? So at the end we gotta throw salads at me? Chad, do you think I can beat it? Hey! Hold up, lock in.
Dude, congratulations, I'm coming over here. I'm gonna need you to do some quizzes because I like
throw salads at me, no way.
I need you to answer the questions if you get it. All right, so problem easy. 2. All right, easy. Problem 3.
Easy, come on.
Good job, here's $1.
Let's go. Thanks for the $1. Chat, game of the year, right?
All right, so problem 1. All right, so problem 2. All right, problem 3. Wait, why are all the options? Like, why did you click 1? All right, dude. All right, that's it. You're banned.
Lock in, chat. Lock in. Look, we gotta get our money up ASAP. We gotta get our money up ASAP and go to a place that's running a sale, and then get as many, yeah. You know what I mean? I just saw him. Did you see that? Chat, type 1 if this is game of the year. We're gonna get our money up and get a giant order on one of the places that goes on sale. I'm hoping it's Taco Bell because you can easily suck down calories from Taco Bell. Oh my goodness, I see me at the end of the hall. Lock in, chat. McDonald's! McDonald's went on sale. Chat, I repeat, McDonald's is on sale. Where's the Mickey D's at? Look at the money. Look at the money. Look at the money. We gotta find McDonald's. I found McDonald's. Where are the Mickey D's?